a lot of people here today I want to thank. A lot of people who are not here today I'd like to thank. So this is kind of what we do. And when we started this process, the board believed we could do this. Historic St. Mary's believed we could do this. Mike Miller did. The governor did. In fact, he asked me, Kristen, can you guys actually do this? And I assured him when he was writing that check, or the approval for the check, yes, we could do this. And we couldn't do this. We've got 60 plus staff at the moment. And by the way, we need a lot more. I'll throw that out there too. Look at the page. This could not happen without those 60 strong staff, and in particular, the Dove crew that are working here today. So I hope you're all proud of this as I am. So I want to thank you all for being here.
Blocker on this one? I've got a feeling I'm missing something. It might make it.
Do it?
We have put the last of what we call the shutter strakes, which is the last plank strake on this particular boat. We have 20 strakes that make up the main hull. And the very last plank, which over the course of 60 feet, most of our strakes are made up of either 3 or 4 planks. The shutter strake is made up of 4 planks, and then that final plank that goes in, we call the whiskey plank. We have successfully fabricated and installed the whiskey plank, which is a milestone in completing a traditional wood boat, in which we've now sealed up the hull. So if the tide comes in, she'll float. She's getting pretty close to ready to put in the water.